you're experiencing audio desync issues while playing Minecraft, this guide will help you troubleshoot and resolve the problem. Follow these simple steps to improve your gaming experience. Step 1. Check your audio settings. Ensure that your audio settings in Minecraft are configured correctly. Go to the Game's Options menu, select Music and Sounds, and make sure all audio sliders are set to your preference. Step 2. Update your audio drivers. Outdated audio drivers can cause desync issues. Visit the website of your audio hardware manufacturer and download the latest drivers for your sound card or integrated audio device. Install the updates and restart your computer. Step 3. Adjust in-game video settings. Sometimes, high video settings can lead to performance issues, including audio desync. Lower your video settings in Minecraft by going to Options, then Video Settings, and adjust the graphics, render distance, and other settings to improve performance. Step 4. Close background applications. Running multiple applications in the background can affect Minecraft's performance. Close any unnecessary programs, especially those that use audio resources, to free up system resources for the game. Step 5. Reinstall Minecraft. If the audio desync persists, consider reinstalling Minecraft. Uninstall the game from your device, then download and install the latest version from the official Minecraft website. This can help resolve any corrupted files causing the issue. By following these steps, you should be able to improve the audio synchronization in Minecraft. Enjoy your gaming experience.